Hello and welcome back to Janny Thermo Crazy Kitchen. Today I want to show you what actually can go into the dishwasher with your Thermomix attachments. Let me show you. Alright, so basically all the attachments that come with it, that's the Varoma lid, the Varoma dish, the Varoma tray, the simmering basket, measuring cup, if you get the blade cover, that one as well, the splash guard, the whipping tool, the butterfly whisk, the lid and the whole bowl that can go into the dishwasher. The only thing that doesn't go is the machine itself. Duh! What I usually do is I take my bowl apart, and that means just releasing the bottom bit here. That's the base. It usually doesn't get dirty, so I, for one, store that inside my Thermomix bowl. But, very important, I turn it upside down so everyone can see the bowl's not assembled. And this way, whenever you put it back, even here, that wouldn't work and no one would be tempted to start cooking if it looks crooked like that. Anyway, everyone's trained in my house. So that's the blade, and that can also go into the dishwasher. I usually put mine in the cutlery basket, but if you prefer, you can also put it on a top drawer. Just make sure that you are really, really careful, because these blades are super sharp. Stainless steel, what more is there to say? However, the bowl I usually put in the bottom drawer, upside down, and yes, the pins can get wet. That's absolutely no problem. Just before you assemble the bowl and put it back into the machine, you just need to make sure these pins are dry.